everyone, it's Helen from Witchcrafts here. I'm back with a quick Monday bonus video, and we have got May 2019's PaperGang box for unboxing. I was hoping to have the Scrawler box as well to do at the same time, but that one hasn't arrived yet. But I couldn't wait to open this one because last month's box was fantastic. Have a look at my April unboxing if you haven't already done so, to have a look at that one. So I'm really excited and I just can't wait to open this one. The theme, it looks quite pink this month, so let's have a look and see what we've got. Like last month, we've got a couple of bookmarks with some funny phrases on them. And let's get into it. So if you don't know about PaperGang, it is a UK-based company who find fun things to do with stationery and art to create this lovely subscription box. And the thing I really like about this is for every 4 boxes they make, they plant a tree. So it's fun, you get lots of lovely goodies for a really good price, and it's also environmentally friendly. So here we are, let's have a look at what we've got today. Oh, it feels quite heavy. What have we got today? Ooh. So have a look at the little booklet in a minute. So we've got a little patch badge that says Forever Awkward. Sounds about right. And then we've got some greetings cards. Happy birthday, silly sausage. You're such a weirdo, but I am too, so that worked out. I like those. A nice, simple month calendar. That's perfect for bullet journal. What's this? Oh, it's a pad of let's crack on and get stuff done. So this is a sort of a to-do list by the looks of it. So it's got times, and it's also got the things to do and a place for you to write your dates. So that's really good for being organised. And then what's this? We've got, oh, look at the colour. That's beautiful. It is a tote bag, and it says, don't worry, no one else knows what they're doing either. That's absolutely amazing. So that's really nice. So that's a really nice package of items this month. I'm impressed. I'm always impressed because the quality is really good. So let's have a look in the booklet. Okay, so Twin Pines. Your PaperGang box contains slogans we can all relate to. So they're crisp and colourful. It's got a little book with invitations. It's got some interviews with the designers. Brilliant. If you want to get your very own PaperGang box, then you can have a look at the link which I'll put in the description. I have a code that you can use to get money off your very first box. So if you'd like to check them out, and then I will do another video, another unboxing video. I'm due the Scrawler box for May and also my knit crate, although I know there's been a delay with the knit crate. So as soon as those arrive, I will do unboxing videos as well. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe, and if you can give this video a thumbs up, that would be much appreciated. And I will see you on Wednesday for 365 Days of Art and Friday for Wreck This Journal. Thanks for watching. Bye.